Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Doey the Doughman. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw a circle for the shape of the head. Now inside at the top, let's draw the eyes. Let's start with two curves. And then for the end, let's curve it up and around to the other side. Now underneath for the mouth, let's draw a long curve across and then a large curve underneath. Now top on top, and let's draw the hat. Let's draw two curves up and then a curve across, dipping it down in the center. Then to finish off the hat, let's draw a curve up, over, and down. And that's it for the head. Now top down and let's draw the body. Let's start under the head and let's draw two curves down for the neck. Now let's leave a gap, and for the sides of the body, let's draw a wavy line down on both sides like this. Then underneath, let's draw a long curve across, leaving a gap on both sides. Now underneath for the legs, let's draw a curve down from the sides. Then let's hop in underneath the body and draw a curve down like this. And then to close off the feet from the outside line, let's bring it out and curve it back in. And then add one curve inside each of the feet. And that's it for the legs. Now let's hop up and let's draw the arms. We'll start with the left side. Next to the neck, let's curve it out and down. And then let's draw a long wavy line down like this. Now let's leave a small gap and let's draw a curve back into the body. Now inside, let's draw the thumb. Let's draw a curve down and then bring it up with a wavy line. And then add another curve next to it on the right side. Now top to the bottom and let's draw the fingers. On the left, let's draw a curve down and back up. And then two more, working our way over on the right. And that's it for the left arm. Now let's hop over and let's draw the right side. We'll start next to the neck again and let's bring it out for the shoulder. And then let's angle it downwards. Now to continue the arm, at the end here, let's draw a curve going up. And then on top, let's draw a curve out and back in for the thumb. Now to continue the hand, let's draw a curve up on top. And then a finger going upwards. Now underneath, let's draw a curve across, another finger up, another curve underneath, and the last finger on the right side. Now to close off the arm, let's curve it down and bring it up into the body. And lastly, inside the hand here, let's draw one more curve. And that's it for the shape of the body. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the pattern. Let's start inside the neck and let's draw a curve down and back out on the left side. Now top into the left arm and let's draw a wavy line across near the top here. Then hop down and let's draw a curve along the side and one more underneath. Now let's hop over into the right arm and let's draw a curve down from the top and then a wavy line across at the bottom. And one more underneath this one. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the pattern on the body. Let's start on the top right and let's draw a wavy line down and back out towards the center. Now let's draw a wavy line with 3 bumps for the fingers, a thumb going outwards, and then a wavy line over to the right side. Now top over to the top left and let's draw a wavy line in and down like this. Then a curve up for a thumb, and then 3 fingers with a wavy line going down. Now let's curve it over, bring it up, down, and back out. Now let's draw another hand pattern underneath. Let's start on the bottom left and let's draw a long wavy line across the bottom of the body and bring it up like this. Now let's curve it up and back down for the thumb, and then 3 fingers over to the left. And then curve it over to the right side. Now let's hop back over to the bottom left and let's draw another curve across near the bottom here. And then a wavy line across the left leg. And that's it for Doey the Doughman. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!